nature of the products Z and Z dash in the following series of reactions. So this compound here, on reacting with NaCN HCN, it gives X. On acid hydrolysis, it gives Y. On treating with phosphorus and HI, it gives Z. Similarly, another compound given here, the same set of reactions is giving compound Z dash. We need to identify Z and Z dash. Let's see the reactions here. This is the compound given CHO, CHOH, CHOH thrice, CH2OH. Looks like glucose, but then we don't know the configuration at each carbon. NaCN HCN. This causes addition reaction. We can see here there's an aldehyde group. Aldehydes or ketones react with HCN. Nucleophilic addition takes place. So this C double bond OH here, H and CN, pi bond breaks, H adds here and CN adds to carbon. So doing this reaction here, carbon. Now I will be writing single bond OH, CN is added, and there's anyways an H here. Rest of the product remains the same, CHOH, CHOH thrice, CH2OH. Next we are carrying out hydrolysis. So this is compound X. On hydrolysis, cyanide group hydrolyzes to carboxylic group. So COOH, and then we have CHOH, another CHOH, and CHOH 3 times, and finally CH2OH. The last step here is reduction, HI and phosphorus. So HI and phosphorus reduces aldehydes, ketones, alcohols to alkanes. So the rest, all of these are alcoholic group. They will all get reduced to hydrocarbon, COOH, and then we will be having CH2, CH2, these CH2s, then 3 CH2s here, and the last would be CH3. So the number of carbons are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Therefore, this compound is hexanoic acid. Hence, Z here, this is compound Z, this was Y. Z here is hexanoic acid. Let's see the next reaction. This compound looks like ketone. The next compound, CH2OH. This is a keto group here. It could be fructose, but then we don't know the configuration at each chiral carbon. NaCN HCN is added to it. So once again addition reaction takes place, this time at this carbon, second carbon, which is a ketonic group. So CH2OH over here, and here we will be now having CN and OH. Continuing the reaction, CHOH, continuing the compound, CHOH thrice and CH2OH. Now when we make this compound undergo hydrolysis, once again cyanide group gets hydrolyzed to carboxylic group. So that carboxylic group I am writing here, C. The C is attached to OH and CH2OH, CHOH thrice, and then CH2OH. The last step is reduction, HI and red phosphorus. Just like in the last condition, here also all the aldehyde or ketonic or alcoholic groups get reduced to alkane. So carboxylic group remains intact. Here we have a carbon, and to this carbon there is one methyl group attached. This CH2OH becomes a methyl. We have one hydrogen here. The rest of the compound is converted into hydrocarbon alkyl groups. So we get like this. This compound has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 carbons in the parent chain, and on second carbon it has a methyl substituent. So this compound's name is 2-methyl hexanoic acid. So Z, this is Z dash. So Z and Z dash are not same compounds, they are different compounds. Z was heptanoic acid, whereas Z dash is 2-methyl hexanoic acid. Therefore, we should select the option D. Z is N-heptanoic acid and Z dash is a substituted hexanoic acid.